And I would be first taking the some theoretical part, why event management, what is event management, and then we'll be coming on to the case studies, actual cases where we have, we've actually got a pat on the back from the client because it has helped them. How? We'll see during our case study. Basically, an event is done to tell people we are here or to promote, as the first answer was. There could be another reasons also to brand awareness. In your terminology, this should be called brand awareness, or hammering the brand again and again in the minds of your target customers. Day before yesterday, I was doing an event which was the KK Night Yaro Ka Tashan, something like that. What are the key steps for event management? Yeah, all of you can read it. First of all, conceptualization. What do you want to do? How do you want to do? Where do you want to do? What do you want to do? This is the very, very basic thing of an event. The groundwork or the homework, which we call in our language, the homework has to be very strong. You make a mistake on the day of event and there is this Kripalu Maharaj thing happening. This is also an event. पेपर ऐड करूंगा कि मुझे मोबाइल वैन घुमानी है, इवेंट का भी प्रमोशन होता है, बहुत होता है. अभी आप लोग एक इवेंट देख रहे होंगे, ये होने वाला है लालबाग पैलेस में, चेटीचंड उत्सव. आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडी माइट हैव at least heard of that particular event, that this is going to happen. This is the promotion required. You need to have negotiation power. You need to be very creative. यार वो मेरे स्लॉट में आधा घंटा बच रहा है यार, क्या कर सकते हैं अपन, डीलर मीट है, कुछ सोचो डीलर्स के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं आधे घंटे के लिए. यू नीड टू बी क्रिएटिव. यू नीड टू गिव देम, सर इनको ब्रांड्स, अपना जो ब्रांड है, नया ब्रांड हो रहा है या वो हो रहा है, उसके लॉन्चिंग पे कुछ क्विज अपन कर देते हैं सर. Now this was called Dabur Chavan Super Champ. The activity was called Dabur Chavan Super Camp. And this was a BTL campaign. Yeah, there is another terminology you can learn. BTL and ATL. Yeah, somebody said below the line. Who said? 100% correct. And what is ATL? Above the line activity. What's the difference? मेरे जैसे जो गरीब मजदूर लोग होते हैं बेचारे बीटीएल ज़्यादा करते हैं, एटीएल का चांस कम मिलता है. और महेंद्र सिंह धोनी भी इसको रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं, अमिताभ बच्चन भी कर रहे हैं. जैसा कि आजकल होता है कि भाई स्टार ने अगर रिकमेंड कर दिया तो वो चीज़ चल जाएगी. दिस इज एक्चुअली ट्रूथ. आई मीन आई पर्सनली हैव सीन इट. इफ देयर इज समबडी, सम स्टार एंडोर्सिंग अ ब्रांड, दैट इज वेरी वेल. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्कूल्स इन दीज सिटीज, बट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड गुड स्ट्रेंथ. और उसमें भी एक वो होता है कि देखना थोड़ा सा उनके पेरेंट्स की इनकम लेवल 1 लाख प्लस हो, 1,20,000 प्लस, वही तो वही चीज खरीद सकता है, वही तो खाएगा, नहीं तो फिर हमारे फायदा क्या है. ये दिस इज आई मीन मुंबई 50 स्कूल्स, भोपाल 20, इंदौर 30. These are the champions. Venue, high footfalls, great response in terms of database generation and sampling. Connect with the TG, property created by Dabur. Now they can do it again next year. You have to run your vehicle for 3 hours. Believe me, out of 80, even this year, only 12 cars, we call it buggies, 12 buggies were able to finish the race. This is the photo before the events happen. We were told you will get water from, there's one government agency which is also involved in this, which has donated the land, the government of MP. Some department of government of MP was involved in this. We were told we'll get ample of water, but we didn't. And calling the water from the tanker was easy, but there was no electricity. So how could we fill the water from the boring to the tanker and get it to the venue? These are some more pictures. We took a tractor out there. The armature of the tractor was rotated. Through that the water was taken out from the boring. Armature was used as a generator. No cost, only the diesel which was involved with the tractor. So this is why we had to create such a huge place. The L hockey shape which you can see is the pits where students had parked their cars. This was also had to kept under lock and key, and there were gunmen placed out there because this is competition. Somebody else could come, cut a wire of somebody else's car, and for them the race is over. With cable, the last day I get a call, boss वो एक टीवी लगाना है और उसमें केबल चैनल्स चलने चाहिए. अब जिस गांव में बिजली नहीं रहती वहां पे मैं केबल कैसे पहुंचाऊं? एक ही जवाब था, डिश टीवी या D2H. ट्राई करके देखा यार, वहां उधर चल जाए तो चल जाए. लकीली इट वर्कड. They had mobile charging points here in this room. I'm just telling you the luxury which people had out there. At such a place where there is no water machine working out there, there was computer, printer, net, everything you could get in this particular VIP lounge. This is one of the vehicle which the students make. This is the first photo where Pioneers is written. Is the jump which one of the vehicles is ITS. The another one is the whole Cummins India team. They were also one of the co-sponsors, so they are having a photograph with one of the team. You can see a very minute lamppost behind. This is the kind of branding, this is the kind of, you can see those caution marks everywhere. After all, they are students, they are meant to make mistakes. They are not professionals. So you have to tell them at every point, boss, be careful here, but still there are accidents.
My question is, how to get sponsors for the event? Sir, actually, whenever we go to any sponsor and knock their door, the first response is actually shocking.
Yeah.
They don't show interest in our show, and as a student, we are always asked to go and collect sponsorship.
See, when I started my career, I was at your place. So I will definitely tell you some of the tricks which are used to. You have to tell the sponsor कि boss इसमें आने से आपका benefit हो रहा है, मेरा नहीं. आप नहीं आओगे, कोई और आ जाएगा, और जो दूसरा आएगा वो ज़्यादा benefit proposal बनाते हैं. तो पहले it is about us. About us means, for example, you are getting it for some college activity about Proton. Then about the event, what the event is. Then what is the benefit for the sponsors? For example, you are doing an inter-college fest. So you need to, ये अब आपको उल्टा चलना है. आपको टारगेट ऑडियंस ऐसा ढूंढना है जो पहली बात केपेबल हो पैसा करने का, खर्च करने का. दूसरी बात, उस समय उसको पैसा खर्च करने की नीड पीआर पे. तो उसको बोलो सर हमारे जितने पीआर जाएंगे उसमें नाम आएगा कि XYZ प्रेजेंट्स. एक पूरा फॉर्मेट ऐसा बना के ले जाओ ऐड का. इफ यू आर नॉट सपोज टू रिलीज पीआर में लिख के कि हम ऐसा प्रेजेंट करेंगे XYZ प्रेजेंट्स यूनिसन इन एसोसिएशन विद मिस्टर ABC. उसको पहले बता दो कि आप अकेले नहीं हो, ABC भी है. तो अपने आप वो कंपटीशन की भावना में आके वो आपसे नेगोशिएट करेगा. 5 लाख मांगोगे तो 1.5 लाख ही मिलेंगे, पर मिलेंगे जरूर. यू हैव टू शो योर इवेंट एज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर हिम टू गेट हिज ब्रांड देयर. वो गांव में सच्ची में कुछ तुम मतलब नेक्स्ट ईयर में भी बाहर में अगर आप लोग तब तक यहाँ रहते हो तो आई विल सेंड एन इन्विटेशन, ऑल ऑफ यू कम. वहां देखो क्या गांव, मतलब सिर्फ जमीन, यहां तक नजर उठा के देखो जमीन दिखती है. वहां पे डोमिनोज आया, वहां पे कोक आया, वहां पे नेस्कैफे आया, और सिर्फ कन्विंसिंग स्किल थी कि बॉस आपको 2000 स्टूडेंट्स मिलेंगे जिनको सिर्फ एक टाइम का खाना वहां पे दिया जा रहा है. बाद की जो भी चीजें दे हैव टू बाय एंड ईट, उसको कैलकुलेशन समझ में आया कि यार 2000 स्टूडेंट्स ऑल इंडिया लेवल से. देखो आइडियली देखा जाए तो नॉर्थ के लोगों के खाने के हैबिट्स अलग है, साउथ के अलग है, ईस्ट के अलग, वेस्ट के अलग, और अपने यहाँ तो पोहा जलेबी चलता है. थैंक यू.